So lucid dreaming can be used to improve your creativity. So throughout history, lucid dreams or dreams in general have been regarded to be one of the well springs of inspiration for a lot of different individuals that span a lot of different fields. Robert Louis Stevenson's book, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, which I remember in school reading and stuff like that, that was attributed to a dream. Then we have people like Otto Louis, who had a dream-inspired revelation of an experiment that showed the chemical mediation of nerve impulses. So painters such as William Blake have attributed some of their works to dreams. And it doesn't end there. Composers such as Beethoven, composers such as Mozart have credited some of their sources of inspiration to be in dreams. And I know personally, I've had some dreams where I hear beautiful music and I'm like, what? I want to bring that into this world, into this reality. And then I wake up and I'm like, oh damn, I can't remember specifically. But I know that this is possible because throughout history, different fields, like I said, a lot of people have used dreams and some of them lucid as a source of inspiration. So even in sports, a man by the name of Jack Nicklaus claimed to have made a discovery in a dream that improved his game by 10 strokes overnight. So, in his book, Exploring the World of Lucid Dreaming, Stephen LeBurge states that since the age of Egyptian civilization, people have used dream incubation to try to induce dreams about problems they are trying to solve. So, creativity. What is creativity? Creativity, according to Stephen LeBurge, is just using your imagination to bring about new work. And the essence of creativity is combining old ideas and concepts and bringing about something new from that. Albert Einstein was also known to hack the dream realm for his ideas. People like Nikola Tesla would do things like this. So it is very, very prominent that a lot of great thinkers would utilize this avenue of dreams. So we know the subconscious mind is powerful, and the subconscious mind is the storehouse of our memories. And whenever it comes to knowledge, there's two types of knowledge that is highlighted in Stephen LeBurge's book. The first one is explicit knowledge. Okay, so explicit knowledge is things that you know and can spell out explicitly, such as your name, your address, or how to tie your shoes, how to put on your clothes, etc. And reading from his book on tactic knowledge, on the other hand, includes what you know but can't explain, such as how to walk or talk, and what you know but don't think you do, such as, say, the color of your first grade teacher's eyes. The latter form of knowing is demonstrated by recognition tests in which individuals think they are only guessing, but in fact do better than they would allow. So lucid dreams allow us to be able to access this mega bank of stored memories, and there's many examples of people wrestling with a problem, thinking of a problem. Maybe it's in art, maybe it's in science, maybe it's in all these different things, and then they conjure up a lucid dream, and that dream points them to the direction of the solution. So there's an example in his book of an individual who is wrestling with a math problem, and they go to sleep, they have a dream or lucid dream where they are led to a specific book, and then upon rising later that evening, they went to the book they had in real life, and they found the solution for that math problem. There's also another example of a artist and dream researcher that whenever they are looking for ideas for their new works, they go into a dream, and then they conjure up artwork for them to actually draw. So the dream realm is absolutely limitless. You can conjure up experts in different fields, musicians, sages, great thinkers, aliens. So let me give you 4 ways, according to Stephen LaBerge, in how we can use lucid dreams for creative problem solving. So the first one is phrase your question. Whatever creative problem you're trying to solve or whatever breakthrough you're trying to have, before you go to bed, phrase it as a question, such as, what book should I read next? Or how can I finish this song that I'm working on? Or how can I meet interesting people? How can I double my income? How can I take my health to the next level? So whatever it is, phrase it as a question and memorize it. So the next one is to incubate a dream about your problem. And how you do this is by having your phrase, going to bed, and consciously thinking of that phrase, thinking of the solution, visualizing, having a dream about it, a lucid dream about it. Just have it in your mind, and if your mind wanders, bring it back to that thought. Affirm and have the intention that you will become lucid in your dream and you will work through the problem. And just constantly hold this in your mind as you fall asleep. Intention is powerful. So the next step is to use your lucid dream to solve the problem. Now, while you're in a dream, further ask the question, ask the phrase, and call upon dream characters. Call upon experts in the field. Take clues from the dream to be able to help you solve that issue. And you may be in a lucid dream that doesn't seem like it has any sort of connection. Sometimes you can actually pull information even from those dreams that can actually help you in your issue. And this is what is written by Stephen LaBerge. So an idea is that, like, if you're wrestling with a physics problem, you may conjure up Albert Einstein. If you're wrestling with how to get healthy and fit, you may conjure up, Freely. If you're wrestling with something to do with music, you may conjure up Prince. I don't know. Remember that you know more than you think you know. The subconscious mind is an incredible storehouse of information, and this is what you are tapping into. So the fourth principle in this is to remember to recall your dream, your lucid dream, upon waking up. Literally, just get up, write down your dream. Even if you feel like it doesn't have a single connection to what your problem is, later upon, like, analyzing that dream, you may actually find a solution in that dream. So this is the final piece. And with that being said, really, really hope that, all these techniques have inspired you to get into lucid dreaming, incubating, and solving your problems, your creative problems in form of dreams. So that being said, peace out, veganism. Like and subscribe, hit that freaking button if you want to see more.